Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stephen Lunsford.
And I'm Kelby.
No, you're not.
One man. One journey. He will fight through it all. There will be blood. There will be cries for help. There will be kittens!
I don't know about you, Kelby, but that movie looks pretty freaking intense.
Yeah, I want to go see it so bad.
I know. Me too. Actually, I was watching the, Dick, you hit the camera?
I'm sorry.
Anyways, before I was rudely interrupted by my partner here. I was watching the film trailer for that. I think we actually might have a clip of it.
Really?
Yes!
Let's watch it.
I know. Let's go to it now. Dick, you weren't supposed to snap after I snapped. Now we can't go to the video because it was supposed to be in time. Like, I was supposed to snap, and then I was supposed to go to the video. But no, you had to snap, and that just messed it all up.
You know what? You can always do that little clicky thing of dragging it back, and you can always cut out that little part.
Yeah, I know. We don't talk about editing videos in the video like I'm doing right now.
Too bad. Just did.
Oh my god, we're such rebels. Okay, let's go to the clip.
Woo!
You're not supposed to do anything after I snap. Alright, one more time. Well, actually, we don't have a clip because we got the computer cleaned out yesterday, and yeah, so I'm really sorry, guys.
Sorry? You promised them a clip. And what do they get? They get this. Nothing. They don't get a clip. You promised them a clip. You broke their hearts.
I'm sorry. I don't know what else to say. Don't.
I'm disappointed in you.
Don't start crying, Kobe. You know how your cry gets to me. Are you hearing this? Are you seeing this right now? He's like a small kitten.
You hurt so many people.
For just 10 cents a day, you can feed this small child. Have a heart. Let this be a lesson to you. Always be honest.
Why'd you lie?
Never lie. In all seriousness, I think there's a lot of catching up we need to do. I don't know why the hell you're laughing, Elby. Explain to us why you're laughing, please. That light's really bright. You want to explain to us why you're laughing now? That'd be cool. Oh my god, you farted. Alright, so it's pretty much that time where, you know, we end the video, whatever, but I think before we go, it's only necessary that we turn on the high pitch switch. Yeah. I haven't done that in a while, so it
feels so good. So.
Here you go.
Yeah. I'm really just gonna stop now because
Alright.
Nah.
Stop acting weird. We don't want people to see you like this before we go. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching our videos. We really appreciate it because we work really hard on these videos, even if it doesn't seem like it. Yeah, we do. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Have a terrible night.